Hello, I'm Carla and welcome back to our Edwardian home. Today I'm sharing 4 unique vintage home decor items I thrifted at this fabulous house clearance stall at the Hook Road car boot sale in Epsom, Surrey. All 4 of these amazing items have been incorporated into our daily life, all purchased at bargain prices, which means we'll make a profit if we ever decide to sell them. I hope you enjoy the video. Do let me know if you spot any pieces that I overlooked and which items are your favourite. This chap has some interesting items on his stall. I tend not to shop the items which are kind of jumbled together on the floor, but you'll see later in the video I do spot some good pieces. You'll find a whole bunch of random items and you just have to work out which bits fit in your home. I love the grey pot. I thought it was going to be expensive, so I didn't ask, and actually it was really large, so you would have to store it outside. I also didn't even spot that silver tray while I was looking at the pot. And uh-oh, what do I see out of the corner of my eye? Look at this huge crystal rose bowl. Absolutely wonderful, and yes, I did buy it for £8. So this is me just having a look, and look at this sale price once it's all cleaned up and fabulous. And can you see that brass trivet in the corner? And we bought the brass trivet for just £5 and we're using it underneath a little plant actually. This is the firm, so Jonesy's house clearance. They're good as gold, very sweet, and all you do is buy a bunch of items and they will give you a price for everything, so really good value. In the brassware, they have some cranes, the red crowned cranes, which are the Japanese birds that mate for life. But as you can see, one of them is dead. So it's lost a leg. So I left those. And some fantastic blue and white and vintage ceramics. That brass jug is a little bit too gory for me, colour-wise. When you're filming and when you're looking through all of the items, because you zoom in and you focus on one item, you then go blind to everything around you. So here, the second I saw it, I thought, right, I need to buy that urn. It's Chinese. Apparently it's an antique. I'm like, okay, well, I'm still filming. And out of the corner of my eye, I'm keeping an eye out to see whether anyone else tries to grab the item. So this box is interesting, but it's not as good as the urn. So I go back to the urn to have a look. It is very old. I ended up purchasing it. I got it for £10. And when I was talking to Google AI on Google Lens and showed various photos, it estimates that it's an antique and that the resale price would be between £150 and £300 depending on whether there were identifying marks. So my £10 I would get a good return on, but actually I just like the design. And here, can you see, as soon as I put the jar down, someone walked past, so I grabbed it again. and this is it in our home. So lovely. I missed the orange splatter vase, which is Art Deco baluster shape. I ended up buying that for just £1. At the end of the boot sale, they just put everything on the floor and just say £1. I didn't even spot it until it was £1 on the floor. That's it for today. If you enjoy car boot sales and vintage home decor shopping, then please check out our Thrifted home decor playlist. There you'll find amazing video hauls which will hopefully inspire you to recycle beautiful home decor items. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.